Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to deactivate TikTok account full guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about TikTok topic like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here. After you open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on profile icon right here. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three stroke from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings and privacy. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on account. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on deactivate or delete account. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on deactivate account. And the next thing you need to do is to read instruction right here. If you deactivate your account, no one will see your account and content. Information that is not stored in your account, such as different direct messages, may still be visible to others. TikTok will continue to keep your data so that you can recover it when you reactivate your account. You can reactivate your account and recover all content anytime by using the same login detail. Now, for you to deactivate your account, simply click on deactivate right here. And TikTok is going to send you a verification code. Copy the code and paste it right here. Once you paste the code, simply click on deactivate account. And with that, your TikTok account will be deactivated. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply deactivate TikTok account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you